everyone. Before I show you the footage from my first day or my first flights with the Coudron drone, I just wanted to give you my thoughts on the project itself, and so I don't get accused of being like biased or a hater or anything like that. So I backed Coudron half a year ago or something on Indiegogo because I thought it looked like a really cool project. At the time I was in between drones. I had just sent my Unique Breeze to service and didn't have a drone, so I figured I would back the Coudron. And I had really high hopes for the whole project. It seemed really cool and I really hoped it worked. And I still really hope it works, but at this point it really doesn't. At least not my drone. Now I've seen some clips on YouTube where the drone actually flies and it takes some decent video, but for me it's just out of control. So I've updated all the firmware, the software, I've done the calibration, and basically what my drone does is fly into the walls and to the ceiling. So I tried it inside first, and that was the issue. It wouldn't hover in one place. I figured I might go outside to maybe get some better GPS reception or something like that. So I went to a parking lot, and the results weren't any different. There was no wind. It was a little bit cloudy, but shouldn't be an issue for GPS. But it won't hover in place. I had one flyaway where it wouldn't listen to my controls at all. But I managed to stop it with the emergency stop. So it crashed a little bit, but it took the crash and it's been flying since then, but just doesn't listen to any commands. I really hope that Coudron can fix this. If it's a hardware problem, they send me a new drone, or if it's something to do with the firmware, at least let me know so I can update it. Now what you're about to see is first of all the footage from the drone itself. It's filmed in 1080p, so you can see what that's like. Second will be filmed with my E4K Plus, where I've filmed the drone flying around. And thirdly is a screen capture from the phone when I try to fly the drone. So far, I really can't recommend this drone to anyone. It's not any good. The camera quality is okay for €100, 150 euros, but other than that, you might as well use your cell phone camera to take pictures. So enjoy the show, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or recommendations or thoughts on what I can do, please feel free to share them in the comment section. So enjoy! Okay, that was the first flights outside with the Crew drone. Basically it's a mess. It won't keep in one place, it flies however it wants. Basically it's a big pain in the ass. So hopefully their support will get back to me. I'm gonna put this on YouTube and ask them for their feedback. Hopefully it's fixable. I don't know if it is, what's wrong. As you've seen, I've updated the firmware. I've actually updated the firmware a couple times, but it sucks. Let's see how the video quality is once I get back. But I'm not having any high hopes. I'm thinking maybe stick to the DJI Phantom. Although the Crew drone was like $150, so pay peanuts to get monkeys, right? That's it. So like if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. And I keep updating on the Crew drone situation, what's going on there. Hopefully it solves itself. Cool. Bye bye.